Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking to elevate any look in your rooms, I highly recommend this serving tray by Hanobe. These are well made, they're very functional and super stylish. You're going to see that I display mine in my living room and the kitchen. You can literally make any section of your home look very stylish and very organized. It even looks beautiful in the bathroom. Hanobe has a variety of beautiful colors. You can have multiple of them. This is well made. You're going to see that it's beautiful beaded around, bringing that boho look. And it also has a secure bottom, which is great so it's not sliding around. It will also prevent any surface from being scratched. So if you're looking to have everything tidy, organized, but at the same time give it style, I highly recommend these serving trays by Hanobe. But that's just my point of view.